What's up, Wise Flyers? David here. I'm going to tell you the top 5 cashback credit cards with minimum spending of $1,000 or less and no annual fee. First on the list are the Chase Freedom cards. I'm lumping both these cards together in one spot. First is the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, which doesn't have a sign-up bonus, but you get 3% on every single purchase up to $20,000 within the first year of having this card, and there is 0 annual fee. After the first year, or after that first $20,000 spent, you're gonna get 1.5% on every single transaction. And the Chase Freedom card offers a sign-up bonus of $150 or 15,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points after spending $500 in the first 3 months with 0 annual fee. The Chase Freedom card is gonna rotate its 5% back categories every 3 months. So 1 quarter or 3 months, it could be gas stations, then it could be groceries, then it could be PayPal or big box stores like Costco. So every 3 months, it's gonna change to a different category, but you're maxed out at 7,500 points per category. The best way to make the Chase Freedom cards work to your advantage is to pair it with either one of 3 cards: Chase Preferred, Chase Sapphire Preferred, Chase Sapphire Reserve, Chase Ink Preferred. And when you earn these Chase Ultimate Reward points with the Chase Freedom cards, Freedom or Freedom Unlimited, you could transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points over to one of these 3 cards and use them for transfer partners. That's how you get the most value out of Chase Ultimate Reward points. If you don't have any of these 3 cards on the screen right now, then you're only stuck at a 1 cent per point redemption ratio, which isn't too good compared to if you transfer it to transfer partners, you could get sometimes up to 3 cents per point. And both the Chase Freedom cards fall under the 524 rule, which means if you've opened 5 cards or more in the past 24 months, you won't be approved for these cards. And if you want to apply for this card or any other cards mentioned on this list, you could click the link down in the description below. And by using our links, you help support the channel and keep making awesome content for you, and it's still free to you. Next on the list is the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card, which offers $150 in the form of statement credit after spending $1,000 in 3 months. So technically this isn't a cash back card since you are only getting the money earned or the sign-up bonus in the form of a statement credit. But I decided to include it in this list anyway. With this card, you get 3% cash back at US supermarkets up to $6,000 in purchases per year. After that, it turns to 1% on transactions or on purchases at supermarkets. Then it's 2% cash back at US gas stations and US department stores like Macy's and Sears, and then 1% cash back on everything else. It's important to note that American Express only gives a sign-up offer once in your entire life. So if you've had this card before and got the sign-up bonus, you won't be eligible for the sign-up bonus again, but you can still be approved for this card. Next on the list is the Capital One Quicksilver card, which offers a sign-up offer of $150 after spending $500 in 3 months with 0 annual fee. This card also doesn't come with any foreign transaction fees, and it's pretty straightforward. You earn 1.5% on every single transaction. No ways to leverage that. And there's no minimum redemption amount as well. Next on the list is the Bank of America Cash Rewards card, offering $200 after spending $1,000 in 3 months. One of my favorite things about this no annual fee card is the flexibility in earning bonus rewards. So you could choose your own 3% cashback category from a list of 6 popular options such as online shopping, dining, travel, and drugstores, and you could switch out these categories every single month. So this gives you the option to choose what you're gonna spend on, and you could get 3% back. So let's say 1 month, you know you're gonna make a lot of drugstore purchases, so you can make that as your 3% cash back category. The next, you're gonna go to a lot of restaurants, you may be doing some travel, so you could earn 3% cash back on the next month, and you could really plan it out to maximize this 3% cash back category. Maybe even doing some online shopping for December, so you could get that 3% for December for the holiday shopping. Then you'll earn 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, kind of like Costco. It's important to note that these 3% and 2% earning potential in these bonus categories is limited. So for each quarter, you're only allowed to get up to $2,500 in spend for these bonus categories. After that, it goes to 1%. And for the year, that's only $10,000 per per year. So that's the only stipulation, that you are capped. So even though there is a cap on the bonus categories each quarter, you could earn more by enrolling in Bank of America's preferred rewards program. So if you are gold member, then you get 25% bonus. If you're platinum, 50% bonus. If you're platinum honors, 75%. So if you do qualify for these programs, you'll be able to earn 3.75 to 5.25% on these purchases. And the next card would be the US Bank Cash Plus card, which is offering a sign-up offer of $150 after spending $500 in 90 days. And this also has 0 annual fee. This card offers 5% cash back on your first $2,000 in eligible net purchases each quarter on the combined 2 categories you choose. You get 2% cash back on your choice of 1 everyday category like gas stations, grocery stores, and then it's 1% cash back on all other purchases. So similar to the Bank of America Cash Rewards card, the US Bank Plus is letting you choose your own categories, but there's a lot more flexibility with this card to choose what categories you want. With the Bank of America Cash Rewards card, you could choose your 3% and you're capped up to $2,500 per quarter. With the US Bank Cash Plus card, you get to choose your 3% and your 2%. So it gives you a lot more flexibility with this card. And the greatest thing about this card is that there is no cap to the amount of cash back you could earn with this card. And you could redeem these cash back points in 3 different ways. It could be a statement credit, could be cash in the bank, or it could be a rewards card. So out of the list, this one definitely has the most flexibility. Next is the Capital One Venture One card, which is offering a sign-up bonus of 20,000 venture miles equal to $200 in travel after spending $1,000 in 3 months with 0 annual fee as well. With this card, you earn 1.25 venture miles per dollar spent on everyday spending, but it also offers 10 miles per dollar spent at hotels.com when paying with this card or booking via hotels.com/venture. This offer is only good until January 31st of 2020 to get that 10 miles per dollar spent. With this card, you do have the option of getting cash back. Also, this card has no foreign transaction fees. To redeem these venture miles, you could use it for travel purchases such as taxi rides, hotels, flights, rental cars. A lot of things can categorize as travel when using this card. Capital One also offers the option of transferring these venture miles over to transfer partners such as Air France, Etihad, and a few others that could make these miles a little more valuable. So this card is a bonus on the list. The reason why is because it isn't technically a cash back card, but you are getting 20,000 venture miles or $200 towards travel for only $1,000 in minimum spending and 0 annual fee. And if you want to learn more about the best cashback credit cards for 2019, you could click this video over here. It gives you the best ones for 2019. I recommend clicking that video right now, and I'll see you in the next video.